Come on, bro. Look.
I can just walk in there regular now.
Just walk in there regular and press that garage button and just make sure you don't fucking step over the laser. Jump over the laser. Go. Jump over the laser.
Oh.
Oh, where's the goalkeeper going? Make your fucking goal!
Hey, what happened to two hands? No, up, 2 hands. No, don't give up. 2 hands. 2 hands. Read. Raise your other hand. 2 hands, please. 2 hands. Thank you. Okay, his bowl is over here. There we go. That's okay. Don't worry about those. You got it.
Oh, fuck, you're gonna snap my bag, bro. The swimming pool. Oh, shit. Did you hear it crack like 4 times?
Lil bro tryna hit a sneaky link.
About in school.
Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr. What'd he do?
He died for our sins.
No, that was...
Hey, what happened to 2 hands? No, up, 2 hands. No, don't give up. 2 hands. 2 hands. Read. Raise your other hand. 2 hands, please. 2 hands. Thank you. Okay, his bowl is over here. There we go. That's okay. Don't worry about those. You got it.
You definitely need assistance with literally everything that you do. Like, you cannot do anything by yourself.
Dude, come on.
But you definitely can't drive.
A woman?
I'm Mr. Body Catcher.
After Monday and Tuesday, even the calendar says WTF.
Mom died because of you!
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Giving sparkling water to my dog and seeing his reaction.
So I don't know if you saw my other TikTok, but I'm doing this puzzle, right? And I started doing, a little bit of progress, right? And I was like, you know what? I'm going to just do the borders. And I've been trying to find this damn piece for like 2 hours, right? I search in there, every single piece, nothing. And then I figured it out.
Oh my god.
Go, go, go! Don't let go! Dad!
Danger!
You tested positive for COVID?
No, for pregnancy.
Oh, wow. Should we kill it or?
What the f?
That is exactly.
No sé qué hacer, necesito un adulto. Esperen, yo soy un adulto. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Yeah, that's the slogan. Just that who's all there? I'm pulling up with an emo chick that's broken. Just like they drop the music, they like that she be addicted.
You live in a pineapple under the sea or no? Or no? Do you want a Krabby?
kitchen.
He ate all the cookies. Mama, punish him. Punish him. Look, look, look.